Hi, Noel Rosen from Panther TEK here, and want to remind you that Saturday, November 26th is Small Business Saturday. We've got a great deal going on, and here's the scoop. If you purchase a gift certificate good for 3 hours for our computer troubleshooting, repair, or installation services, you're going to get a gift certificate for 1 hour absolutely free. So pretty much you're getting 4 hours of our computer repair services for the price of 3. Not a bad deal. Also, if you go online to www.smallbusinesssaturday.com and register your American Express card, and then you purchase any of our services during Small Business Saturday, you're going to get a credit on your American Express card statement in the amount of $25. So basically, you're getting more and more value for your money. So if you want to know more, give us a call at 480-980-8541 or visit our website at www.panthertekit.com. We want everyone to, well, buy local this holiday season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.